Where people are worried about their jobs due to generative AI and artificial intelligence at large. At the same time, there are few experts in the industry who have come out in the public to express their grave concerns about what AI has in store for us in the near future. Geoffrey Hinton, who has been at the forefront of this all generative AI and was employed at Google for the last 10 years, has come out and is saying that he is very concerned about how AI and generative AI tool like ChatGPT and various others can disrupt what we know as correct information. Geoffrey Hinton, who alongside with other so-called experts in the industry, won the 2018 Turing Award for their foundational work that led to the current boom in artificial intelligence. He has resigned from Google and now says that a part of him regrets his life's work, and that is huge. Hinton recently quit his job at Google in order to speak freely about the risks of AI. With his speaking, I believe the concerns around ethical AI and AI governance will attract more and more attention. Jeffrey has said, and I quote, I console myself with the normal excuse. If I hadn't done it, somebody else would have. Well, Hinton notified Google of his resignation last month, and then he is now publicly speaking about the concern he has around this generative AI. The lifelong academic Geoffrey joined Google after it acquired a company started by Hinton and two of his students, one of whom went on to become chief scientist at OpenAI. Hinton and his students had developed a neural network that taught itself to identify common objects like dogs, cats, and flowers after analyzing thousands of photos. It's this work that ultimately led to the creation of ChatGPT and various other generative AI tools. Now, Google is trying to downplay this uh, and saying that, and I quote, we remain committed to a responsible approach to AI. We are continually learning to understand emerging risks while also innovating boldly. The spread of misinformation is only Hinton's immediate concerns. On a longer timeline, he is worried that AI will eliminate rote jobs and possibly humanity itself as AI begins to write and run its own code. The idea that this stuff could actually get smarter than people, a few people believed that, but most people thought it was way off, and I thought it was way off too. I thought it was 30 to 50 years or even longer way. Obviously, I no longer think that, he says, and I totally agree. Because if you look at the speed of which ChatGPT, Hugging Chat, AutoGPT, and various other generative AI tools are emerging and evolving, it's not hard to see that with it's just a matter of months now, maybe 1 or 2 years before they eliminate a lot of jobs. They bombard our public internet with fake photos, audios, videos, and they would just create chaos everywhere. I think that is concerning, and it's high time for the governments to rationalize and regulate this industry because I think sooner rather than later this is going to get out of hand, and this is huge concern. No one is saying that they should choke the innovation, but all we are saying is that that should be done in a controlled and proper way and in a responsible way. Because ultimately you cannot control it. Bad actors and bad state actors, especially, they would come to the forefront and they are going to use this technology as they please, and you cannot control them. So it's high time that we control it and we regulate it. I hope this was useful to you. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.